DecoNetwork makes it easy to create and apply account terms to company and customer profiles. Within the admin, click on the Settings, Customer Settings, Account Terms, define your account term. Do this net 60. We'll say there's 0% deposit. It's due within 60 days from the invoice. We'll click Save. We can then go into Business Hub and we can apply this account term to either a company and or a customer profile. So we can come into Companies. We can select a company. We can select Edit Account Details. We can change the account terms and even set a maximum outstanding balance, which is when we cut this client off because they owe us too much money. It's the same thing within a customer profile. Go into a customer profile, select the customer, go into Edit Account Details, apply the account terms you want to use, and even set the maximum outstanding balance so we cut them off. It's really that easy. If you have any questions on how to create and apply account terms to a customer or company profile, simply visit DecoNetwork's help resources or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.